Good morning, Twitters. I hope you're having a good day, and as usual, it's always a good day to tweet. So, without further ado, let's begin. Well, today is not a tweeting day; it's a Sunday actually, but which brings us to a very important topic, that is the weekly report. Well, for the weekly report, we haven't posted the previous week report as well, so we are going to see them both together itself. So, let's begin. Well, as you could see, this is the Excel sheet we have prepared. The laptop got corrupted, so we have to prepare the sheet from the beginning. So that's why there is no entry target or SL given here, represented here. The second thing is we haven't taken much trade in this week. First talking about this week is we missed around three trading session for Banknifty, on which first was missed on 19th. The 21st was holiday for Bakrid, and on Friday's session of Banknifty trading I missed, but I could have gained really good profit on that day. But leaving that there itself, we have another thing that we have the previous week. The previous week trading session was actually quite difficult because we weren't able to grab that much amount of points. Plus, it wasn't able to cultivate profits or generate profits for that week. I didn't blame this thing because I was absent for around 3 weeks of trading. So it did take time to get adjust towards this thing. But and as you could see in color presentation, we on the previous week we lost three losses and three wins. So around 50-50 was the week. But the losses were a bit higher than usual. As you could see, the losses were around in 2% range. The major loss was of crude oil on 15th, where we lost 38 points. That was the major blow happened that day. On the same day itself, in the morning session in Bank Nifty, we captured 3,100 points. So that was nullified completely, and which put us really back in that week's target. But on this week, starting from 19 to till 23, the we have just a single loss, but it was also a major loss of 23 points. This thing happened in two phases. We lost in around 10 points first, and then a 13 points in the second trade. So in if this thing was completed, you could have seen two entries of crude oil, but it is not. So that was happened in two phases or around 23 loss. But the good thing was I just lost just a single trade that week and wasn't able to trade for three trading session. And then too, the profit was really good. Around every single trade was positive, around more than 2% to 1% gain, which was really good in trading because our target for weekly was around 4% itself, and I was able to surpass it really good in this trading week, even though I was absent for three trading session consecutive in between. So that was that. So which brings us to the total of itself. So let's begin. The first one is this the week 7, the previous week which we had. It was around 7,000 rupees profit and 5k loss, which put us around 250 around 2,500 rupees profit of 1.4% gain, which is really bad because weekly target is of around 4%. So by 4 into 20 by 5 weeks we get around 20% gain per month. But on this week, this is week 8, we have really good 12,000 rupees profit and just a single loss of 2,300. The best week so far, around 9,000, around 10,000 rupees in profit in a week. It is really good for as far as trading goes, and around 5.6% gain, surpassing the target by 1.6%. And we closed the week in green itself. The good thing was we closed both weeks in green after 3-week gaps in trading. So that was a bit good things that happened, which we didn't have to draw down on our capital completely. So this was the thing. So which put us to the next thing. That is what were our next target for the next weeks and month. So the targets are quite simple itself. The target of weekly target is of 4% gain, which put us monthly target of 20% gain. So around 30,000 rupees is a monthly target, and the loss per trade is of 1% on a capital of 1,75,000 rupees, which gives to around 1,700 rupees of risks. That is 70 points in Banknifty to be taken as a risk in trading. So this was the trade I have taken in Banknifty and crude oil combinedly. If you have taken such trade, do comment down below, and I would love to see them. If you have recorded or you have a trade log or a trading logbook. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and press that notification bell so you'll never miss any update from us. And thank you for watching.